Hey friends, I wanted to come on today for Not Just for Boys Kit Club as well as Off the Board to bring you another layout. So let's see. I am loving this paper right here. It is Cartabella by the Sea Nautical Plaid for this plaid, but you know, I love me some wood grain and I'm so excited that I have two sets of this. Or I'm sorry, I get both sets of the pattern papers because I'm always like, you know, what would I do if I only got to play with one of these wood grains? I mean, this is a very big tragedy in life. So I'm going to use this for my background. And let me show you my photo really quickly. This is my daughter, my oldest daughter, Shay, and she is at Vail, loving the view, loving the mountains, loving the hike, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to do something with this. Now, I also really liked all of these travel elements. I have a bunch of them I pulled. I'm not going to use them all, I don't think. But I did like a bunch of these travel elements, right? That are our embellishment set that we have. So I pulled anything that could possibly work. Awesome. And there was some red in it. So I thought I would make sure to bring in this scrap just so I have a little bit of the red vibe. Not going too heavy on it, not a big deal. So next, so I have that, and I think for the off the board segment part of this, I'm trying to make sure I screenshot it. See this right here? I have a ton of stuff kind of on this side right here. So I'm going to go pretty heavy on that side. I'm just taking this as inspiration. I'm not going to be going very heavy with the pattern paper because I think I'm going to kind of make a pattern paper with embellishments going down this side. I really like the idea of that. Maybe a simple treatment with, you know, let's see. I have this scrap with a yellow that I like, so I can mat with a few different papers here. Kind of, if you think about it, like yellow, red, green, yellow, red, blue, kind of primary, but not super primary. Does that make sense? I don't know if it makes sense. Now, the next thing I started thinking, because I was thinking about how I can use all these goodies in this kit. I was really excited about it. And I have to grab something to show you my next thing. Hold on, I'm looking. All right, so we have the Heidi Swapp Color Shine in Navy. And we have this, which I like and I think is beautiful. We have navy here. My daughter appears to be wearing a navy backpack, blue sky, the whole thing. So I know that I'm going to go ahead and have lots of my die cuts, embellishments, what have you, coming really heavy on this side. I was really into that. So what I thought I would do with my Color Shine, and I'm going to just bringing in an iridescent glaze, is I'm going to make some kind of treatment area for around my photo. So let's see, I'm trying to kind of ishy it a little bit here. So I'm going to make my photo be kind of right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and mix up some Color Shine with some glaze. Oh gosh. I just grabbed the wrong piece of paper. With some glaze on just a little piece of scrap packaging. And I'm going to let that dry first. Yeah, I'm thinking through it while I'm hanging out with you. So I'm going to go ahead and get that around my photo area and let that dry, and then I'll come back. Guys, I have to show you how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. So it is kind of coming off as like a slate metallic blue in these pine trees. And this paper has really close to that same slatey blue color. Ah, so pretty. Okay, super jazzed about it. Wanted to show you. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead, map my photo a bunch of times, and get all kinds of the die cut pieces along the side. All right, quick check-in time. So I have a lot of embellishment stuff over here, and I'm not done with that because I want to grab a bunch of the words from the 5th and Monaco stickers and sprinkle them in there as well because they're super awesome and I haven't used them yet. So that's going to happen. I also want to get my title probably right down here. It's going to read Hello Vail. And I don't have the same stickers that most of you guys do. We have these that just are kind of janky. As you see, the letters are everywhere. So, Not Just for Boys Kit Club went ahead and switched them out with the tile stickers you guys have. So, but I'm going to use what we have because I like to use the supplies that I have on hand. Okay, so let me get the Hello Vail on here and some of these puffy stickers, and I'll be right back, friends. So I have the bits on here that I'm super interested in. I think I'm going to color up these letters a little bit with some of my leftover glaze and color shine. So I got a bunch of water on that for now, trying to soften some of it up because I had it in the trash. Not going to worry about that right now. Just don't want it to pour on my desk. Okay, so that's going to sit and kind of get the gooey bits going. Now, I do have these really gorgeous navy blue buttons that work perfectly for this. So let's get a few of those on. Me with my doing things in threes, right? I'm going to get that on. Let's see. I'm making sure. See, I don't want to get in a situation where I don't get one of the cool things on that I want to use. This is like a big deal. Oh gosh. My sticky things are attaching themselves to the box. Oh gosh. Makes me think I have to pay a little bit better attention to things when I put them away. Anywho. All right, so let me get one of these little sticky mabobbies on here. Probably put that up with my Explorer. Let's see. I don't know. What do you guys think? Ooh, I like it there. I could put them with all like the big giant white word bits that I did. That might be kind of cool. Let's see if that would work. And if it doesn't work, we'll just redirect. Here currently, so I like it there, but I already have a heart there. So I think I'll just go like that. See, we already redirected. That's how quickly we change our minds. But that's all right. We're the boss of us. We can do these things. So I would like to get one right over here to bring in the title. Okay, awesome, awesome. Now, I do have, something was wet. I have some of the sequins, which I like for this kit. Let's see. I have the wood grain, the white, but I'm feeling enamel dotty. So what I'm gonna do is go over here to some enamel dots from previous kits, as well as from the store, and see what I am feeling to bring in. Like, see, that is like such a brick red, although this is close. I think we're just going for it because it's pretty. I have one dot there. Not a big deal, guys. Like, just have fun, go for it. Don't get totally caught up in things like it has to be spot on, or else, you know, all will be lost. This stuff is gorgeous. Just have yourselves a time. And have that be like a period on the end of that. I need to get a little bit of liquid adhesive under some of these letters, but I just wanted to get them down because I was having so much fun. Okay. I know I won't have any of that greenish tone either. So let's see. I have that. You know, I have this one right here, and I really like this. Let's get a few enamel dots with that color on there. And these were from Echo Park Santa Claus. Oh, here comes Santa Claus collection. Okay. Let's see. We can get... I like when they kind of go up in the air too, you know, going absolutely nowhere really, but I like it. There. Maybe a big honkin' one down here. Awesome. So I have that. I have red, I have green. Might as well slap on a white. Or do we do navy? Let's do navy because I don't want it to look too Christmassy. I don't mind terribly if it does, but you know, we're just going to hold off if we don't have to on that vibe. Maybe right here. Wait, 1, 2. I like the idea of a nice little visual triangle, so we'll do it right there. And what kind of party do we have going up here? We have that. Okay, we have a few things going on up there. Now, how about another little guy up here? Just so we have something going on in this little cluster area. I think that's fun. Come on. There we go. Okay. I just needed a little bit of enamel dotty stuff. Now I kind of feel like I should sneak in a little bit down here now. What am I doing, guys? Like, can I just decide and commit to the whole thing? Now, where's that green I liked? Right here. Get a medium one in there. Guys, oh, here it is. I was going to say, did you see where it went? Because I had it and it just took off on me. So there we go. Just enough. We have some red up there. We have some, okay. All right, let's pop them back in their mouse purse. And then what I'm going to do is see if I can liquefy up some of this gooey stuff from when I told you I went ahead and used the navy color shine with a little bit of iridescent glaze. And I thought that might make really good splatty bits if I can get enough of the glaze in. So let me go ahead and cover her picture so that it's not absolutely tragic. I'm trying to get like, I want it liquidy enough, but not just water. Does that make sense? So let's see how it goes. It's a trial and error. Oh, I need it more watery. Okay, I'm gonna get the splatty bits on. I'll be right back and I'll show you how. All right, guys, super excited with this. So the splatty bits did splat in accordance with our wishes. Look at how pretty. Can you see? They're pretty fine. You can see it really well on top of this. So this was super clean, and now it has that same metallic-y slate blue little splatty bit kind of vibe. So I love this. You can see a lot on the alphas too. Love this. I have my little pops of white to keep it interesting and keep the eye flowing. And that's about it. I think I have to go ahead and glue down some of the bits with those my puffy alphas, but aside from that, this layout is done. I am very happy with it. It's cute and woodsy, and it has some mixed media, but not too much, but some, and it's awesome. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll also leave the links for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, as well as the creators that are taking place in the Off the Board series for this month. Okay, I was cleaning up as I was talking to you. I have to stop. I have splatty bits absolutely everywhere. I'm a little concerned that they're in my coffee. What do you guys think? They're probably in my coffee. Oh my. Okay, so that is it for today, friends. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.